Hello y'all, today I am going to show you how to survive a tornado when you are sucked in. So first let me just get the car real quick. Yeah, this car is okay. Now if y'all don't know what this game is, it's I'm going to read it. Twisters versus Twist X. Now, tornado. Now, if you see that tornado right there, you see that? We are going to be following it until we enter. See? Now, it's kinda laggy, but luckily I might have got a code that apparently boosts FPS, so we're right in the tornado's path right here. Yeah. The trees are chopped off because of the earth. Now, if you get sucked in, don't worry, because you can escape and we are lifted. Oh my gosh. So most of the time you won't die but sometimes you'll get launched so high that you might actually die, so I might not recreate this. Sometimes the tornado will pick you up. Just launches you out now. Now, if we get in somehow. Oh, just pick me up. I'm in the air right now. Might just click many times on your car, might help a little, but you might fail. So, oh, we're in the air. As you can see, there's so much lag and ping. Now you're in the air. Now where did my car go? Oh my god. Yo, I just recreated the death scene. So as you can see, I died right here. Well, bye hope you have a great time out there. Make sure you subscribe because we are so close to the 100 subs, like just 9. Alright, so bye.